Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to find and look at different posts that you've liked on Instagram. If you've liked a post in the past and want to go back to it maybe to show someone else or see what's new, you can find these buried inside of the Instagram menus. To find them, open Instagram and then tap your profile icon on the bottom right. Next, select the three-line menu icon on the top right, and then inside of here, choose Your Activity. Here you can view all your Instagram activity. To see our liked posts, select Interactions, and then inside of this menu, tap Likes. You'll now see all the Instagram posts that you've ever liked. You can scroll through here or choose Sort and Filter at the top to narrow your search down even further. You can also unlike a post by simply choosing the one that you want and then tapping the heart to unlike. You can also unlike multiple posts if you want by tapping Select at the top, choosing the ones that you want, and then hitting unlike at the bottom. Once you're finished, you can then head back to your main feed page. And that's how you find, edit, and look at different posts that you've liked on Instagram. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.